CarePad is an innovative patient positioning system for surgical procedures. Performed with traditional robotic or laparoscopic techniques, it eliminates the risk of slipping by redistributing the patient's weight uniformly over the entire mat. Easy to use for Trendelenburg positioning. Biocompatible and free of latex or phthalates, CarePad is made of viscoelastic memory material. Its open cell composition offers excellent breathability, at the same time guarantees thermal isolation while maintaining a constant body temperature. Reduces the risk of post-operative redness and irritation as well as pressure ulcers. Simple setup thanks to a patented, repeatable and safe solution. Positionable within a few seconds and ready for use. Available in 90 or 120 centimeter in length, it allows the correct positioning of patients regardless of height and weight. Thanks to a patented repositioning solution with Velcro straps, it ensures perfect and personalized locking to the bed bars. The kit, designed to be as complete and versatile as possible, includes a CarePad mat with repositionable Velcro side straps, 2 additional straps to make the mat easily positionable without sidebars, a patient sheet and a thoracic strap. Patient positioning with care. CarePad, driving innovation in surgery.